Hello everyone. Today I'm going to start speed-based questions from chapter number 13, surface areas and volumes. Next, important questions based on speed. As in standard sample paper 1, speed related question is given. So that is why I thought let us do some CBSE already CBSE board questions. In textbook we have 3 questions. One is in example and 2 is in exercise question, and these are out of that NCERT questions. So water running in a cylindrical pipe of inner diameter 7 centimeter is collected in a container at the rate of 192.5 liter per minute. Okay, find the rate of flow of water in the pipe in kilometer per hour. Question is clear?
Yes, sir.
Now volume of water which flows per hour, it is given 192.5 liter. Per minute it is given. So per hour means into 60 we have to do. Now this is in given liter and diameter is in centimeter. So I want to convert it into centimeter cube. कैसे करेंगे?
Sir, by 1000, what
Not
can I
by,
say?
into. Because 1 liter is equals to 1000 centimeter cube. So we have to multiply with 1000. So this is the volume of water which flows per hour. पूरा multiply नहीं करना है अभी. Inner radius of the pipe is given 7/2, that is 3.5 centimeter. Okay, and let h be the length of the column of water which flows in 1 hour. So the water which is flowing through the pipe, okay, that will take a shape of cylinder. Okay, it will form a cylinder with radius 3.5 centimeter and length h centimeter. So volume of water which flows in 1 hour will be equals to volume of cylinder having the radius 3.5 centimeter and length h centimeter. So this we already got, this one, ये जो यहाँ पे निकाल चुके हैं. So we'll substitute here, and volume of cylinder is pi r square h. We'll substitute the value of pi, r is 3.5 and h we need to find. Okay, so 7 को यहाँ शिफ्ट कर लो, बाकी 22 into 3.5 into 3.5 will come down. If you solve all this, we'll get 3 lakhs, 3 lakh centimeter. Convert to kilometer.
By
Divide,
1 lakh.
yes, by
3
1 lakh,
kilometers.
by 1 lakh. So 3 kilometer. So this is the length of water flows in 1 hour. So what is the rate of flow through pipe? 3 kilometer
Kilometers per hour.
per hour. Very good. Now we'll move towards next question. This is also CBSE board question 2013. Water is flowing at the rate of 7 meter per second through a circular pipe whose internal diameter is 2 centimeter into a cylindrical tank. Circular pipe, the internal diameter is given, and that if we fill the water through the circular pipe, that will take a shape of cylinder, and base radius of the cylindrical tank is given 40 centimeter, and we have to determine the increase in the water level in half an hour. So first of all, speed, the rate of flow of water is given 7 meter per second, and in centimeter we have to multiply with 100. Okay, and the length of water column in half an hour will be equals to, this is per second, per half an hour means into 30 into 60. 1 hour, the total number of seconds is 3600, 60 into 60. So half an hour में हो जाएगा 30 into 60. So that, किसी का माइक ऑन है देखो. Anas. Internal radius of circular pipe is given, actually diameter is given 2, so radius will be 1 centimeter. And water, again here also the water column forms a cylinder having radius 1 centimeter, and the length is 700 into 30 into 60. Let H be the rise in the level of water in the tank. So volume of water which flows in the tank in half an hour will be equals to volume of water in the tank. Okay. So pi r square H is equals to pi capital R square capital H. Okay. So this is the length of this one, capital H ये है, this one is capital H, and capital R I took 1 centimeter and small r is 40 centimeter. So 40 into 40, because we can cancel pi from both sides, 40 into 40 into H is equals to 1 into 1 into 700 into 30 into 60. So H will be equals to 700 into 30 into 60 divided by 40 into 40. So these two zeros we can cancel. We can cancel 60 by 4, 15. And one more 2 we can cancel from these two, 15. So 7 into 15 into 15 by 2 will get 787.5 centimeter. Hence, the rise in the level of water in the tank in half an hour is 787.5 centimeter. Any doubt here?
No, sir.
Now we'll move towards next important question. This is 2014 question. 13 में भी था, 14 में भी है. Water in a canal 30 decimeter wide, 12 decimeter deep is flowing with a speed of 10 kilometer per hour. 1 decimeter is equals to how many centimeter? 1 decimeter is equals to 10 centimeter. So इसको मीटर में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा? What we have to do? We have to divide it by 10. Here also we have to divide it by 10. Or you can convert it into centimeter and then divide by 100. Fine. How much area will be irrigated in 30 minutes if 8 centimeter of standing water is required for irrigation? Now this is very similar to our textbook question, but the numbers are different. 30 decimeter is given. Okay, textbook का question जैसा ही है ये. So width of the canal 30 decimeter, that is 300 centimeter, so 3 meter. And the depth of the canal 12 decimeter, 120 centimeter, 1.2 meter. Okay, and it is flowing with a speed of 10 kilometer per hour, and canal will take a shape of cuboid. So since the water is flowing with a speed or velocity 10 kilometer per hour, therefore the length of water column in half hour is 5 kilometer, that is 500 meter. And volume of water flowing in half hour is equals to volume of cuboid. Why cuboid? Because the water flows in a canal will take a shape of cuboid of length 5000 meter, width 3 meter and depth 1.2 meter. Okay, और जो water जो है that will used for irrigation purpose, that will be equals to area of field into height, and we'll take height as area as x meter square, and which is irrigated in half an hour. So formula I told you, area of field into height is equals to volume of this one, water from canal in half an hour, that is length into breadth into height, 5000 into 3 into 1.2. So height is given 8 centimeter, but the unit we are using meter, so we have to divide it by 100.
100.
So this will implies that x into 8 by 100 is equals to 18,000. So we'll multiply 100 to this and divide by 8. Okay, so 18 lakhs by 8. Final answer is 2,25,000 meter square. So this is the required area of field. If you want to convert it into hectare, you have to divide it by 10,000. So in that case, you will get 22.5 hectare. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay.
No,
Now
sir.
we are moving towards the last question. Water is flowing at the rate of 15 km per hour through a pipe of diameter 14 centimeter into rectangular tank, which is 50-meter long and 44-meter wide. Find the time in which the level of water in the tank will rise by 21 centimeter. See, in the previous question, the h is given and we have calculated the area of, उससे पिछले के पिछले क्वेश्चन में हम लोग राइज ऑफ वाटर लेवल निकाले थे, उसमें एवरीथिंग वाज गिवन, टाइम इज गिवन. नाउ हियर वी हैव टू फाइंड द टाइम, एंड दिस इज रिपीटेड क्वेश्चन. 2006 में भी आया था, 2011 में भी. लेंथ ऑफ टैंक इज 50 मीटर and the width of tank is 44 meter, and the rise in water level, that is 21 centimeter, is given. So we have to convert it into meter. So 21 upon 100 meter. Okay, so volume of water in the tank will be equals to L into B into H. So see carefully, 50 100 से divide हुआ, 100 को divide कर दिए. Now we'll get 22 here. So 22 into 21 will get 462 meter cube. Now the rate of flow of water through the pipe is given, and the diameter is given 14 centimeter. So radius will be 7 centimeter, and 7 centimeter means 7 upon 100 meter. And the length of water column which flows in 1 hour is 15 kilometer. That is 15,000 meter. And the volume of water which flows through the pipe from the pipe in 1 hour is equals to pi r square h, because that will take a shape of cylinder. And this is equals to 22 by 7 into 7 by 100 into 7 by 100 into 15,000. So 1 7 we can cancel here, and 3 zeros we can cancel. यहाँ का 2 और यहाँ का 1, and 5 2s are 5 3s are, again this 2 can be cancelled. So 11 into 21. Okay, so we'll get 231 meter cube. Now the time taken is equals to volume of water in the tank divided by volume of water flows from the pipe in 1 hour. That is 462 upon 231. We'll get 2 hours. Any doubt?
No, sir.
One more question is there, 2015. See, 2013 and 2014 also, 2015 also it repeated. So this is the very important question. This type of question are very important. Already in sample paper is also given. So water is flowing at the rate of 2.52 km per hour through a cylindrical pipe into a cylindrical tank, the radius of whose base is 40 centimeter. If the increase in the level of water tank in half an hour is 3.15 meter, find the internal diameter of the pipe. So now ये थोड़ा हट के क्वेश्चन है सबसे. यहाँ पे रेडियस निकालेंगे पहले. First we will find the radius, then we will find the internal diameter. So let R be the internal radius of the pipe, and the length of water column which flows through the pipe in 1 hour, it is given 2.52 kilometer, that is 2520 meter. And volume of water flows through the pipe in 1 hour will be equals to pi r square h. It will take a shape of cylindrical, and 22 by 7 पाई को वैसे ही रखेंगे हम लोग, केवल h का वैल्यू सब्सटीट्यूट करेंगे. पाई r square into 2520. So in half an hour we have to divide by 2. So if you divide, we'll get 1260, 1260 pi r square meter cube. Now volume of tank, for that radius is given 40 centimeter. So convert it into meter. So 40 upon 100, that is 2 by 5 meter. And the height is given 3.15 meter. So volume of water in the tank, filled in the tank, is pi capital R square H. pi को वैसे ही रखेंगे and we'll substitute r and h, that is 2 by 5 into 2 by 5 into 315 by 100. So we can cancel this one, we'll get 63. Okay, and you can cancel these two also, 425. So 63 upon 125 pi, right? So now volume of water which flows in half hour is equals to volume of water filled in tank. So 1260 pi r square tha ye, and this is 63 pi upon 125. Pi cancel, and we'll get r square is equals to 63 upon 125 into 1260, right? So now we can cancel this two. If you cancel these two, we'll get 1 upon 2500. 1 upon 2500. The square root of this is 1 upon 50 meter. So convert to centimeter. So what you have to do?
Into 100.
Right, into 100, or 100 by 50 will get 2 centimeter. So finally the diameter will be equals to 2 into 2, that is 4 centimeter. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Section, that is assignment questions. Only 4 questions are there, and you complete all these 4 questions. Okay, so that's all for today's session. Thank you very much.